So we just tried to light some black snake from, and
We don't know how.
yeah, we don't know how to work it. It just says to light the pellets, so we did.
Move.
Yeah,
I don't know.
We tried it.
I just like lit on fire and then
Yeah, like burning marshmallows.
we're
Pretty
probably
much.
doing it wrong because we're Asian and we're foreign. So whatever.
What is it called? What's it called?
It's called Mandarin Magic. It's so Asian.
We're Asian. So we're lighting a artillery show.
Not yet. I just had to load it.
Okay, well, we're obviously not gonna load it in the garage.
No, I just loaded it. We're gonna light it.
I mean, we're not gonna load it.
Oh,
I mean, light
no.
it.
You already.
Let's just go. You're weird. Keep in mind, it is still raining. And I guess it's supposed to be pouring later. Yeah. It's like you barely can see anything else. Yeah, you can't light it. And it's getting stronger. It's raining. Light it.
I'm trying.
Gosh. Okay, you
Oh my
almost
gosh.
have it. Is this thing
I'm
supposed to
getting
shoot out?
tired. Yes. Why else would it be in a tube?
Oh.
Oh my gosh. 10 minutes later.
Look, they have sparklers over there. I don't want
Oh my gosh.
sparklers.
I can't
Yeah, we can't see anything. The light just went off.
Turn it on. Turn the sensor on.
Oh, okay. I gotta. Okay, I just turned it on. And yeah. Dude, it's almost like 2 minutes. We still haven't lit it.
Okay, we're gonna.
Yeah, I think.
Call me Mayhem.
What are you doing?
I'm never
King
reaching
Bam.
out to write insurance.
What is that?
Well,
That's
you
what I
are
showed
cutting
you.
your covers and leaving yourself unprotected. So get off
Why are you
it.
taking a video of
Save
me?
money and be better protected from mayhem like me.
You've been sitting there for half an hour.
You don't understand. This is
Not even talking.
I know.
Get another cup of coffee. A little cold water?
Show us what you're doing.
I'm solving puzzles.
Weird.
No.
Cause there's so many fine women that my head is spinning.